welcome to day 17 of my wildlife years, 30 Days Wild. So I'm up here at Bedroll Parish Church, one of my wife's churches, and that's Riverslough Hill just behind me. Lovely setting, and I thought while I'm out here, I may as well look at some apps that are useful when you're actually out and about. First up is a decent map app. Here you can see where I'm standing in Bedroll Churchyard, and if I zoom out you can see Riverslough Hill, which is over there. Don't rely on maps on phones. It's fine, they're handy when you've got them in that, you can just hold them out your pocket and use them, but if something goes wrong and you drop the phone or your battery goes, you need that hard copy. A couple of other apps that are really useful for finding where you are, or telling people where you are a decent OS grid reference app, and also what 3words. I would say they slightly different uses. OS grid references, I'd use them if you're wanting to record where you've seen a specific species of plant or an animal. You can choose 6, 8 or 10 figure grid references. But if you get lost, sometimes it's a bit sort of like trying to remember the 2 letters and then 10 numbers to say this is exactly where I am. Use what 3words. So someone has actually went around the world, and every point in the world there's 3 specific words for that. So here in the Bedroll Churchyard, here's the grid reference for it, and here's the what 3words reference. Another couple of handy apps, they won't be useful all the time, but might occasionally be. One is tide times. Because if you're wanting to go and if you're going to the coast and you want to go, am I going to be able to do some rock pulling? Don't know. Check your times and your tide times. Quite a few apps like that, and there's also quite a few apps that also do sunrise and sunsets. I use the sunrise and sunset ones mainly for bats, so that I know when I'm going to go out looking for bats. But I've also used it for finding out when I'm likely to see in the early hours of the morning, when I'm likely to see otters in the river. Rain Today app is absolutely brilliant. It gives you an idea of when it's going to rain in the next hour or so in your location, but also you can look at the radar and see where the rain is and where it's going to be, roughly in the next hour or so. So that's it. Over for my wildlife years, day 17 of 30 Days Wild. See you tomorrow for day 18.